What makes world-class athletes like who participate in Olympics or World Cup different from the rest of us? For most people, the first answer that likely comes to their mind is either their physical traits and the amount of muscle and cardiopulmonary strength, or even their mental concentration. So, if an ordinary person trained extensively and acquired the same level of physical activity, could he or she become a professional? The answer, according to the neuroscience, appears to be no. In 2014, a Japanese neurologist had the opportunity to examine Neymar's brain by means of functional MRI. Neymar was told to do foot inversion, and the brain activity from the motor cortex was recorded and compared to other players from Spain. Functional MRI shows a small area of motor cortex activated during this movement compared to much more larger areas in other football players. The numbers of neurons Neymar used to make a given movement was just 10% or less compared to other players. The study concluded that the fewer number of neurons needed for a single movement, the more that can be used for other movements. So if you take a typical person dribbling a ball, he can consume one third of his motor cortex in this action. When he moves to the right and shoots the ball, he consumes almost entire of his motor cortex. While compared to a professional football players, each movement uses a little capacity from the motor cortex. So a professional player can dribble the ball, can move to the right, then to the left, avoiding a tackle, then shooting the ball before consuming his motor cortex.